Helen, help.
Yeah, I'm so happy you're here. Hey,
Hello,
I'm
I'm
Sheryl.
Allison.
Hey guys, I'm Sheryl. I'm doing an estate sale with Turnage Place for after a 28-year live in this house. It's a big family house, and it sounds crazy, but we've really got 2 Saturdays, 2 weeks to finish this house, and we've got a lot of work to do. A lot of work. It's scary. It's scary at this point, but I feel enlightened, and I've gotten in the enlightened mode of giving away and donating and selling, so, because we don't have tons of space to downsize to, so we're having to donate a lot.
So we got 2 done.
Well, that's great. 2 of these kind? The fancy dancy kind?
We got 2 done.
Okay. There you
We
go.
got 2 done.
Okay.
You want me to?
Want
Yeah.
me to do a
yeah.
fancy dancy one? All right. See, I got this cool tool here that makes me very efficient.
The tool being WorthPoint on your phone.
WorthPoint on my phone.
Heyo.
Franklin Mint was a champion of making everything. And so you can never quite keep up with everything they made. They were a big business and they had to make a lot of things to support their business. This one is 25, believe it or not.
Okay.
I mean, they're nice, but
That one.
frankly, very overproduced. But I'll see if I can find any higher priced ones. I would put 15 on that. That's a China. It's nothing great.
Okay.
Cheaply made. This is a nicer knife. It's Remington. So Remington's a good brand,
Yes, I can.
and made in USA. Remington. R12. That's your knife. $129.
Wow.
That one?
Yep.
Isn't that amazing?
You gotta go for the brand. When,
What's the
when you
brand
want to
again?
buy expensive women's clothes, what do you look for?
The price tag?
The brand. The brand.
You're asking someone who shops at Goodwill. For Remington, that's
Hey, any luck?
Well, we got knives from $15 to $125.
Okay, good. That's what those are.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
that-
great.
So it's
That's
interesting
huge.
to hear what Will says.
Yeah, that's
That there
interesting.
were made a lot of them.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah,
so,
yeah. I
you know, it
knew
was-
that, and
Yeah.
I knew. I mean, you know, I think we bought them like as special gifts for Jackson,
Yep.
so I knew we wouldn't spend too much money.
They're really nice.
Yeah, sweet. I've got a lot more knives. What about knives from Vietnam? Are they valuable?
Yeah, yeah,
They are.
yeah.
Okay, here is Vietnam knife. It's a piece of junk.
I'm gonna go get a price on this from Al.
Okay, here, what about this?
I like this.
We've actually got a picture of him on top of his
This is
helicopter
beautiful.
with that knife in his mouth.
Yeah,
Do you?
Where's that picture?
Cool.
I mean, it's a beautiful knife.
I have no idea.
Anyway, and
But
here is.
I can go ask him.
My old girlfriend Carol Mueller gave it to me
Oh,
before I
wow.
went to Vietnam.
Well, yeah, Puma.
What do you think about the knife?
I mean, it's an interesting knife. It is, it appears to be a private purchase type knife as opposed to something that was officially, so that, there's, a story to it. But again, it's one that, would have been relatively more common here than there. So, I mean,
Do you know what a price you might put on it without looking at it?
I'd probably have to look it up on WorthPoint. I suspect something like this, I'd probably put, $40-50 on it. you know, I think
20,
At all?
50? That's kind
40,
of
50.
40,
Oh, 40,
50.
I'm sorry, not yours. Okay.
40, 50 bucks. I mean, probably 50 bucks on it. I mean, it's you know, I mean, it's pretty well worn.
Yeah,
And
that's kind of cool.
What if you had a picture of him with it on his helicopter and
You
his
know, if you
teeth?
had something associated, you know, there's a lot of
Uh,
rust and stuff on it. So I mean, that certainly, and you can
takes
see
it
it's
down.
pretty well. So again, it would be interesting. The association of him in a helicopter may be something that, you know, if you were putting it like on eBay, you'd probably put that in there and see if you get somebody to be more interested. But if you had a story around it, is what would make it. Other than that, it'd probably be half that money because
You
again,
know,
it's
I
not
know
great.
because when I hear that, when I know that it was somebody who cared about him at the time, even though they may have been very young,
Yeah.
who went and thought, would he need it, or would that be cool, or would it be a great,
Well,
just a
it's-
moment, you know,
yeah.
something to take with him that was a little personal and.
Mhm.
What if it was a style government issued knife?
You know, Vietnam government issued. Normally, the ones you see are the old K-bar type ones that I've seen. There are other ones that get much more, but the K-bar ones are probably $50 to $100. The other ones can be several hundred dollars, depending upon the type of knife.